Hi friends, today on Miss Donzella Cooks, we're going to make a simple macaroni dish. And so I've already started um, browning my ground turkey. You can use ground beef. This is just a take on an old school classic of the simple macaroni beef skillet. So I'm browning that. So to this ground turkey, I'm going to add some peppers. I have some bell peppers and onions in here. You can use all three colors or just one color. Use whatever you have. And for your seasoning in your meat, you season whatever seasonings that you like. All I used was some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some Mrs. Dash. And I usually like Mrs. Dash because it has a lot of seasoning in it, but no salt. A lot of flavor. So we'll just cook this. My pasta is already done. And this is very simple. Again, friends, if you like easy, simple recipes, I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen. And definitely subscribe to my channel for more easy, simple recipes, budget friendly. Let's stretch those food budget dollars and make them go as far as we can. Use whatever you have in your kitchen, your freezer, refrigerator. See what you have and see what you can create. But join me in my kitchen, subscribe to my channel, and we can create easy, simple, budget-friendly dishes together. So now that, friends, is just wanted the veggies to get a little tender. And to this, I'm also going to add this Lipton Onion seasoning packet. I'll put that in there. I'm also going to add Sloppy Joe mix. It's a little different, but it gives it definitely a wonderful flavor. So we'll mix that together. The rest of that in there. Simple, just plain old Sloppy Joe mix. Lipton Onion soup mix. If you don't have those things, you do not have to put that in there. Just your meat, your seasoning, and your veggies, whatever you have. Just put that together. So now, friends, to this I'm going to add a can of tomato sauce. I'm going to add some water to this mixture, just like that. I'm also going to add some Italian stewed tomatoes. You don't have to put stewed tomatoes in here. I just like tomatoes in here, so we'll put those in here. And we'll let that come to a simmer. And you're also going to add a little bit of sugar. It balances the acidity of the tomatoes. Now I'm going to taste this and see what my flavors are like right now. And you notice I have not added any salt because our Sloppy Joe mix and our onion mix has salt in it, so we don't want to add any additional salt before we taste it. So let me see. It definitely does not need any salt. Let's turn that down. I'm going to add a little bit more sugar to this. A little bit more water. I'm going to add just a little more onion powder. A little bit more black pepper. And definitely a little bit more garlic powder. So you layer your seasonings, friends. You layer them as you go. And then I'll add a little more Mrs. Dash. And I will taste this now and see what my seasonings are like now. So right now my seasonings for my taste buds are okay. So to this mixture, friends, we're going to add our pasta. I've already cooked my noodles. Let's put them in here just like that. Everything goes in here. I'm going to turn my heat down. I'm going to stir this all together. And friends, you can add more like tomatoes or more tomato sauce, whatever is to your liking. Okay, friends. So let that simmer just a little bit. And the old school recipe calls for a little ketchup, so we'll put that in there. Like I said, this is just a twist on an old classic. And if you have a large family, this feeds a large family. And it's kid friendly because children like the noodles. They don't like a lot of big veggies, so whatever veggies you put in there, chop them up small. So let's see what we have here. This is really good, friends. So, and that's all there is to this. Simple, easy, budget-friendly macaroni skillet. It's a beef macaroni skillet, but I used ground turkey, and you certainly can use ground beef. So we'll cook that down for just a moment. How I'm going to do this, friends, we're going to layer this with some cheese. Do another taste test. I'm going to add a little bit more sugar to take out the tartness. And a little bit more water. This is good, friends. At this point, you can put this in a baking dish and bake this. I'm not going to bake it, but I'll show you how we'll do this stovetop style with the melted cheese. Now I'm putting half of my pasta in here. And what I'll do now is I'm just going to layer it with this shredded cheese. You can shred your own cheese or buy it already shredded. This is a 4-state cheddar cheese mix. Use any type of cheese you want. This cheese will melt in the middle of our pasta, just like so. And we'll take the rest of our pasta, put it in there, and it will melt that cheese. Just like so. We'll add some more cheese, the rest of the cheese to the top. And the pasta will melt that cheese. So, but if you want to bake it, you certainly can bake it, but just put the cheese on top, and the heat from the pasta will melt your cheese. And there you have it, friends. It's just a simple macaroni pasta dish, stovetop skillet. You don't have to bake it in the oven, so if you don't have an oven, this is the way to go. Friends, if you like simple recipes like this, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and join me in my kitchen at Miss Donzella Cooks. And thank you for joining me today. Have a blessed day, friends.